Secret, masking looks polite, inside it drains you. This is a true story about pretending to be normal, and what it cost. At school and work, I copied scripts. Eye contact, small talk, the right laugh. After hours, I crashed. Head pounding, lights too loud, silence not enough. Masking helped me pass. It also hid my needs. I said I'm fine while my body screamed for help. I skipped breaks to seem dedicated, and I apologized for stimming. Then came burnout. Tears, sleep, nothing left. Quick check. Have you masked to fit in? Comment unmask. One day I left early. In the car, I breathed. I chose support over performance. I told my manager I'm autistic. Here's what helps. Unmasking isn't oversharing. It's energy management. It's safety. I still choose when to mask, but now it's my choice. When people know the real me, we both win. If this helped, share it with someone who needs it. Watch our sensory survival series next, and take back your energy.